Sanibonani, amazing viewers of Buthelezi TV. Nganamukela kwesinye say the hashtag the hustler show. Igama ngumongezi Buthelezi, kanti namhlanje la studio angihleli ngedwa ngihleli noNsika wakajiyane. Sawubona Nsika wakajiyane.
Yebo njani?
Siyaphila kakhulu. Okay, uNsika wakajiyane ngicela sichazele ukuthi wenza ini ibrand yakhe yenzani.
Ngiyabingelela kuma viewers onke njengoba uButhelezi shilo uNsika wakajiyane. I've got a brand. The name of the brand is Inzalo Kaseyili. Inzalo Kaseyili, well, basically iyayichaza njengoba esho ukuthi it is Inzalo Kaseyili. Mina ke umuntu wamatende nje, umuntu wemvuselelo, umuntu we-outrage, umuntu we-soul winning. So basically kahle it's not more like a business, it's about a vision and a name and an identity ukuthi Inzalo Kaseyili. So ngangihlalele nje ngacabanga ukuthi as umuntu wetende futhi as abantu nje betende like umhlaba wonke sibaningi, abantu bemvuselela, abantu bamatende, abantu bakasoul winning. So ngase nje ngavele ngacabanga ukuthi uma ngingase ngithi mhlawumbe come up with a brand ngithi ke le Inzalo Kaseyili, yabo ukuthi noma umuntu egqokile ehamba la ahamba khona but uyakhona ukumbona ukuthi oh lo Inzalo Kaseyili ngenxa yokuthi ufake the brand. So ke ukusukela kwebrand kwasukela lapho, but it's not only limited for those type of people bamatende nemvuselelo, it's for all saints, it's for all people who feel they're interested in having the brand for themselves. Yeah, so ke uma ngithi ke Inzalo Kaseyili kahle nje, basically that is the foundation of the brand. Ukuthi Inzalo Kaseyili kahle it's an identity ukuthi lo ombona egqokile ubani, lo ombona efake the brand ubani, lo uyinzalo Kaseyili. So uma sikhuluma ngenzalo Kaseyili, it's quite a broad thing because it's not only the people aba like doing amatende, it's not only the people aba move on amatende, but it is also the people abasizakala ematendeni. So it might not be ukuthi mhlambe uyinzalo Kaseyili only ngoba ugijima namatende, but sonke, most of us sasindiswa ematendeni. So by that uyinzalo Kaseyili because wasindiswa etendeni, you were born etendeni. Yes, so basically uma ngithi Inzalo Kaseyili nje, that is the foundation. Yeah, it's not only mhlambe for people abamatende, though it is mostly based on them, but nje it is also for everyone, for all saints, all people nje who see ukuthi the brand has a meaning to them. Also Inzalo Kaseyili, it's not a name of a church, it's not a name of a movement, it's not a name of something, it's just a brand nje ya abantu bonke mhlambe it's not like umuntu usumbona efaka ikepisi leNzalo Kaseyili okanye i-t-shirt yeNzalo Kaseyili okanye i-hoodie yeNzalo Kaseyili usuzothi ukhonze like isonto elithile. No, it's not a church, it's not a movement, it's a brand nje of wonke umuntu or interested kuyona. So basically when I say this is Inzalo Kaseyili njengoba lisho ukuthi le Inzalo Kaseyili, so yeah, it's basically there ukuthi yabona nami noma ungibona ngihamba la engihamba khona, you can actually see ukuthi okay lo uyinzalo Kaseyili, and uma uyi-understand lento Kaseyili, uyi-understand lento yamatende and the work and the impact yamatende like emhlabeni nje, and the impact yamatende empilweni zabantu, automatically when you see into ethi okay lo Inzalo Kaseyili, then awusadinga umuntu uzokuchazela ukuthi ngicela ungichazele ukuthi kusukuthini. Automatically uma uyi-understand leyo nto usunayo vele the meaning ukuthi okay lo uyinzalo Kaseyili, and uya-understand ukuthi by meaning Inzalo Kaseyili kusukuthini. Yeah, it's basically that.
Okay, Inzalo Kaseyili yaqala ngamuphi unyaka?
As kubhaliwe la it's 2020 nje, it's this year.
Oh, qala ngalo nyaka.
Yes.
Uqala usasesikoleni?
Yes.
Okay, ngoba sazi ukuthi kwesinye isikhathi uyafika necebo kodwa ongeke uzukwazi mhlawumbe ukuthi nayo yonke into ukuthi ungaqalela icebo lakho. Obani ke abakusizile ukuthi wena usunalo icebo lokuthi ufuna ukuqala inzalo kaSeyili. Base bathi bona nabazofaka isandla ekutheni nawo ibrand yakhe kuphela.
First of all, I'd say obviously my family and abazalwane engikhonza nabo, they've been very supportive kakhulu kule project le. Yeah, basically njengathi it's them, it's family and family members, like church members. Yeah, abazalwane engikhonza nabo, they've been so supportive. Yeah, so supportive.
Yasikhuluma ngomndeni, abazali bakho batheni bebona ukuthi ingane yabo nansi yaqala manje iza nebrand and abantu bayayisebenzisa, batheni ukukhuthaza noma phela kwesinye isikhathi abanye abazali babuye bengavumelani nezinto esizenza nje sizenzela thina ngoba sobe ngenayo show ukuthi sizophumelela. So abazali bakho bathini ke uma bebona ukuthi ngiqala into kanje?
They were interested, yeah, excited. Yeah, they were interested, excited nje nokuthi I just came up with something of my own. It's something of my own. I didn't copy it from anywhere because kule ngithuka abantu benza izinto ngamandla abanye abantu. You see umuntu enza into ethile and then you wanna copy that wenze okwakho ngeversion yakho. But when I thought of inzalo kaSeyili, I didn't see it anywhere. It just came to my mind nje. Ngacabanga ukuthi okay, it is gonna be inzalo kaSeyili and I've got this vision of inzalo kaSeyili ukuthi actually the name, the brand, behind the brand there is the name, behind the name there is the identity. Ukuthi kahle kahle lento yenzalo kaSeyili, though mhlambe singazani ukuthi lo ubani igama sigijima sonke namatende sinale understanding sonke ngendaba like ya impact yamatende, but it in a way it also makes us one. It unites us in a way because noma omunye ekhonza kwenye indawo omunye ekhonza kwenye indawo singazani, but automatically uma sibonana sesifake one in the same thing, then automatically we united, sesi one minded nje. So yeah, it also brings unity in the house of God. It also brings unity nje. Yeah.
Okay, since nje uqalile ke ngokuqala lonyaka ngicabanga vele early this year.
Yeah.
So izibi inkinga mhlawumbe osabhekene nazo zona lezi ezincane nje osayitholile ngoba usuqala ibrand yakho?
Mhlawumbe oqala nje ngingathi understanding njengoba ngichazelile ngeke ngasho earlier ukuthi umuntu uya ke abona ukuthi okay, it's inzalo kaSeyili, what does it mean? Like yeah, abanye abantu abayi understand nje ya ukuthi what does it mean inzalo kaSeyili, but njengoba sengisho ukuthi when if ibona umuntu wayo then we understand it automatically clicks, akadinga ukuchazelwa uma isibona umuntu ukuthi okay, this is inzalo kaSeyili and iyayichaza as sibona futhi la the sign, it's itende yabona, it's itende into sale and it's a megaphone like as a symbol of ukumenyezelwa nokushunyayelwa kwevangeli umhlaba wonke, ukumenyezelwa ukushumayela kuka Jesu osindisayo ophilisayo umhlaba wonke under uSeyili. Yes, it's basically that.
Okay, so when nje mobuka brand yakho manje uyibona ukuthi moqhubeka nawe uyibona ikuphi nje mhlawumbe in next 2 years or 5 years nje isikhathi sizayo uyibona ikuphi noma ufuna ukuyenzani
my vision mhlawumbe in 2 years time, 3 years time ukuyibona nje abantu bonke sebenayo nje people sesinayo sonke this understanding and knowledge of inzalo kaSeyili, sesinayo ukuyiqonda lento ye impact of inzalo of amandla nomsebenzi kaSeyili emhlabeni, because it's a brand, but behind it, the brand, it's an explanation of ukuthi kahle kahle what is uSeyili, what does uSeyili do emhlabeni nje, what does uSeyili do in our communities, what does uSeyili do in people's lives, what does ukushunyayelwa kwevangeli do in people's lives, empilweni zethu, in families, in people individually, in churches nje, yeah, globally. Ukuthi kahle kahle behind this ukuthi inzalo kaSeyili, it's it also goes with understanding and knowledge. Okay, what is uSeyili? What does uSeyili do? What is the impact of uSeyili all these years back? Because uSeyili, the work of uSeyili sazalwa ukhona amatende emiswe and kuze kube manje amatende amiswe and abantu bayasizakala and uNkulunkulu is still doing umsebenzi wakhe kubantu bakhe, abantu bakhe basabuyela kuye uJesu bayasindiswa mihla yonke namalanga. So I can say my vision in 2 years time, in 3 years time, ukubona sonke sesinaleyo understanding, sonke sesinaleyo unity leyo ukuthi okay, we are actually injalo kaSeyili, we understand the impact kaSeyili and we are grateful for umsebenzi kaSeyili uNkulunkulu.
Okay, siyazi ukuthi uma ukhuluma ngeSeyili nokumiswa kwamatende like kuzoba neinkonzo. Abantu abaningi banokungahambisana lezo zinto lezo ukuthi why kukhonzelwa ematendeni futhi lamatende abasebusuku why kuzomela thina siphuma emakhaya kithi ebusuku siye ematendeni sinazo nathi sithi inkonzo yabo. So kulabo bantu abasho kanjalo because ibrand yakho vele iphuma endabeni kaSeyili namatende. Uthini kubona ukuba understandisa kancane ukuthi kahle kahle yini i-aim yokwenza amatende nokuthi ke nezikhathi zakhona ukuthi usebenza ngaziphi izikhathi?
Well, ekhathini amatende ngaba at any time ukuthi ke izikhathi ezijwayelekile ayake ame ngazo ethi ntambama ngenxa ukuthi abasebenzi abasuke sebebuyile, abafundayo basuke sebebuyile nje ibhizi yonke usuku yabo, everyone usuke se-contained sesekhaya nje. So ke bese ke sisebenzele leso sikhathi leso ngoba sisazi ukuthi most people bazokwazi ukuba available ngenxa ukuthi like sebe free from zonke izinto eziba distracted during the day. Yes. And abanye they are against amatende ukuthi amatende kanjani, but nje engakusho ukuthi mhlambe uma people ukuthi abantu sebathi uma bebuka amatende babuka abantu, not the person behind abantu, because nathi it's not like isuke siya ngoba sithi we bored, siya ngoba sithi siswe into engayenza nje siyomisa itende. No, it's actually the pain of God ngabantu bakhe ukuthi it's actually God osuke esithumele to his people, uNkulunkulu usuke ehambele abantu bakhe. So abanye abantu mostly they are against amatende ngenxa ukuthi they don't have that knowledge, they don't have that understanding ukuthi kahle kahle it's not these people we see, but it's the person, it is the God othumela abantu labo. Yes.
So okay, inzalo kaSeyili yenza ini iziphi izinto ezenza? Ngiyabona mina sengineKBC vele already. Okay, okunye okwenzayo
inzalo kaSeyili, as we can see kukhona la it's beanies, amakotoyi, t-shirts, ama-golf tees, ama-round necks, v-necks akhona, ama-sweaters akhona, ama-kepis akhona, ama-hoodies akhona. Basically it's that car stickers kukhona.
So khona abantu manje asebekwazi ukufaka ibrand yomuntu.
Yes.
Wena njengoba umnikazi webrand yakho uyibona ukuthi ikanjani, umuntu mhlawumbe ozothi mhlawumbe meseyithenga ngomunye umuntu, iziphi izinto kumele ayinake mhlawumbe ama details lawo kumele awanake ukuthi ayisekho kule brand engiyaziyo?
The signatures of the brand, it is US 2020. It is a signature of the brand la in no S 2020 kuye kube le inzalo kaSeyili and then bese kuba no S 2020 bese kwamanye kuye kube le inzalo kaSeyili bese la kuba no @Nsika Manelisi. Yes, so those are the signatures of the brand. Yes.
Okay, so abafuna ukuthola baxhumane nawe bethole le brand inzalo kaSeyili bangakuthola kanjani? Abafisa ukuxhumana nami ngiyatholakala efonini and they can also email me at nsikamanelisi@gmail.com and ngiyatholakala ke nasecingweni at 066 414 2063 066 414 2063. So sonke bakwethu siyahasilisha, sonke senza ngakho ngokusemandleni ukuthi sithole ke amandla noma sithole ukusiphilisa. So Buthelezi umuntu osekhaya onayo osamncane ofisa kunini la ngabe nebrand yakhe ungamluleka uthini kuyena?
Ngingathi nje trust God in everything, yenza into ebekwe uNkulunkulu kuwe. Do not want to be other people. Ungafuni ukuba i-copycat yabanye abantu, ungafuni ukuba omunye umuntu, and ungafuni ukwenza izinto ngemsebenzi or ngamandla abanye abantu, but be yourself nje. Have your identity, find your identity, be yourself.
So don't forget to follow all our media platforms now YouTube. Please subscribe on our YouTube channel. Nibukele namanye ama episodes. #The Hustler Show namanye ama shows akhona la izweni Nsika TV. So hlezi nawe kama Mongezi Buthelezi ngihleli Nsika wakajiyane.
Ekuseni ngivuka ngizwe ngathi amandla yaphela, impela ngenziwe isimo sayizolo, kubuhlungu kuhluleka, ngiyakucela baba somandla, ngicela indlebe kuwe, kubuhlungu nakithi, ukubona impilo zethu sehluleka impilo zethu, kanti ukuphi na